How to get free credits on DoorDash. It's a really quick and easy process, so let's dive right in. First thing you want to do is open your app, and what you want to do is make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you do that, if you are a regular user of DoorDash, you can earn free credits by inviting new friends to the app. So you can just send them invite link, and if they join you through your invite link, you will get $5. But you have to note that you will only get $5 for each friend. You can also create a virtual card in the app to earn credit points. You can do that, and it's very helpful to get a few extra credit points. Another way to earn more credit points is by inviting customers to your business. So if you own a business and you have a business on DoorDash, you can invite new customers to earn your credit points, and you can exchange those credit points for food items or anything on the app. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If so, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.